Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link Canva to Printify. This process allows you to seamlessly transfer your creative designs from Canva directly into Printify, preparing them for print on a wide array of products. It's a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, saving you valuable time and effort. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your designs are perfectly aligned and ready for production, making your print-on-demand journey much smoother. Before linking, it's crucial to prepare your design within Canva. Focus on creating a high-resolution image, ideally at 300 dots per inch, to ensure crisp print quality. Pay close attention to the dimensions required for your chosen Printify product, leaving adequate bleed and safe zones. Export your final design as a transparent PNG for best results, especially if your design has intricate cutouts or needs to blend with the product color. Once your Canva design is ready, navigate to your Printify account. Choose the specific product you want to customize from their extensive catalog, perhaps a t-shirt or a mug. Within the Printify design editor, you'll find an option to upload your design. Select the high-resolution file you exported from Canva. Carefully position and scale your design on the product mockup, ensuring it looks exactly as you envision it for your customers. The final step is to publish your newly designed product. Take a moment to meticulously review the mockup, checking for any misalignments or quality issues. Craft an engaging product title and a detailed description that highlights its unique features. Set your competitive pricing, considering both your costs and desired profit margin. With everything in place, you can then publish your product directly to your connected online store, ready for sales.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.